How's it going, everyone? This is DJ. Welcome to my channel. Diggz has released a new update for the Xenon build and also updated the wizard. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to use the new wizard and how to install the new build. So without any further ado, grab your remote and let's get right to it. Alright, so now before we begin, I assume that you already have Kodi installed. If you don't, I will put a link in the description below, or you can just click on the top right corner here and follow my video on how to install Kodi. And once you're done with that, then you can just continue from here. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the gear icon on the top here. You're going to click on it. In here, we're going to scroll down to System. Select that. Scroll down to Add-ons. Go to the right side over here, and then go down where it says Unknown Sources. Click on there. And in here, just click on Yes. And I'll press the back button once. In here, we're going to go to File Manager. We're going to click on there. And scroll down where it says Add Source. Click on there. Now where it says None, it's already highlighted. You're going to click on it. And in here, we're going to type in the following URL. Now, before you press OK, just double check the URL that you typed in, make sure it's correct. If this URL does not work for you for some reason, you can try this other one that I have posted on the screen here. And once you're done, just click OK. And as you can see already on the media source over here, I already put a name. So all you got to do is press OK over here, or you can just change the name if you want it and then press OK. Now you're going to press the back button once. Here we're going to go to Add-ons now. We're going to click on there. We're going to scroll down to Install from Zip File. Click on there. And here we're going to select Diggz123, unless you named it something else. We're going to click on there. And here select Diggz repo.zip. Click on there. Give it a moment. All right, that's installed. Now we're going to go up one, Install from Repository. Click on there. And here we're going to go to Diggz Repository. You're going to click on there. And here we're going to scroll down and go to Program Add-ons. Click on there. And we're going to select Chef Wizard. Before it used to say Chef Omega Wizard. Now it just says Chef Wizard. It's the same thing. I'm going to click on it and select Install. You're going to get a pop-up. There we go. Now normally you get a pop-up over here with the changelog and all that. At the moment we're not getting that. Now it depends on when you watch this video. You may be getting this pop-up, the changelog. If you do, you just press OK. But for now, we're just going to click on Chef Wizard again. And here you're going to click on Open. And now in here, we're going to go down to Build menu. Click on there. And we're going to select Diggz All-in-One Free or Debrid. Now these two are both the same thing, except they're just different servers. So if the first server doesn't work for you, you can try using the second one. That's all it is. All right, so we're going to click on one of them. And here we're going to click on Continue. Just give it a moment to download. It shouldn't take too long. Depends on your internet speed. And now it's going to install the files. So I'm just going to fast forward this part. All right, now it's done. And here we need to click OK to force close Kodi. So we'll do that. And now all you got to do is just launch Kodi again. It's going to boot up. And now we're going to see the new setup wizard. All right. Now we're just going to give this a second or two. We're going to get a couple of pop-up on the top. Right in the top middle. There we go. Now in here, you can do a couple of different things. You can install the add-ons. Now where it says free setup, you click on it. We can select install the free add-ons you would like to use. We can do that right from here. So if you want to install one of these add-ons over here, just give this a second to install some dependencies that it needs. Alright, so it seems like it's done right now. So you can install these add-ons right away from here. So let's say if you want to do look movies, select yes. And it's done. It's already installed. Now, if you're going to install Elementum, like you see here what it says, you may want to do that first and then install this one. And once you're done, just press the back button a couple of times and it will bring you back to the screen. Don't worry about the error on the top. So now the next step will be to go to the right. And it seemed like it crashed, so no big deal. Just launch Kodi again. Alright, so now we're back in here. Now we're going to go to the right and we're going to go to choose skin. Here you're going to click on it. And you're going to see a few different types of skins in here. You can see what they look like in a way. And you can just select either one you want. We're going to select this one. I like the Xenon 2. So we're going to click on there and select yes. Alright, it's just going to build a menu. Alright, so now this is the second step we need to do here. We need to choose a flavor. So you can click on choose a flavor here or go down here, Xenon 2 flavors, click on it. And you're going to get this menu now over here. And there's only one option for the free. And then you got the different for the debris one. We're going to click on Xenon 2 free version. Click on there. And select continue. Alright, we're going to force close Kodi again. And then once we launch it, you may not see the original build right away. It has to build it again, so just give it a second. There we go. And that's it. Now you're back into the Xenon 2 build. Now again, once you get in here, even this time you're going to wait till, let's say, everything is populated. You can see the weather just came up. For the Tracked API token, you can just click on never. Unless you have a Tracked account, you can enter it in here. And then just give it a minute. Just wait to see if anything is going to be updated or not. And then once that's done, then you can go ahead and scroll around and just explore what's available in here. Alright, I guess that should do it for the installation part. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will answer everybody's question as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It does let YouTube know you like what I do here, and it does help my channel grow. Thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.